Biochemistry is important to study in the medicine. Not only it helps in the study of the normal physiological processes, the cell biology, and the processes in order to understand the processes that are taking place inside the body. It also helps in the study of the disease, the diagnosis, and the you can say in the research for the treatment purposes or in the formulation of the drugs as well. So, in order to study biochemistry and medicine, basically the biochemistry is divided into other two fields, that is the medical biochemistry and the clinical biochemistry. So, here I'm going to tell you what is the difference between the biochemistry, medical biochemistry, and the clinical biochemistry. Biochemistry, as I told you, that it is the study of the chemical in the living organisms, right? Now, biochemistry has a very diverse area, you can say, or you can say that biochemistry is involved in various fields, not only in the medicine. Like you can study its important in the medicine, in agriculture, in the nutrition, and in also in other areas of the life. Like it can also help in making some drugs like the like insecticides, or it can help in the agriculture, or various formulas are there. And also nutritionists rely on the biochemistry in determining the calories to determine or to make up the diet plan of their patients. And just like this, the biochemistry is spread to different fields of the study. Now, medical biochemistry is basically limited to the human body. Like it is limited to the study of the human body, including the macromolecules, including the metabolism, or including the genetics. Or you can say that it is limited to the study of the normal processes that are taking place in the body, and what is related to the physiology and the pathology. Then coming to the clinical biochemistry. Now, clinical biochemistry helps the doctor or the physician to find out the condition of the patient, or to make the diagnosis easier. Or you can also say that it helps in the diagnosis. How? Because by using the different chemical tests, the different chemical analysis, it is now easy to identify the disease the patient is suffering from. So basically, the physician use these chemical methods or clinical tests to diagnose the patient. This is the clinical biochemistry. So now you can differentiate easily between the biochemistry, medical biochemistry, and the clinical biochemistry. The one that is diverse field, and the medical biochemistry is then limited to the human body, and then clinical biochemistry is even limited to only the diagnostic purposes and the use of the chemical test for the diagnosis.